Hey there, coffee lovers! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the world of coffee shop transformations. Today, I'm taking you through an incredible coffee shop transformation, all thanks to the amazing team at Jabez Powerwashing. You won't believe the difference a thorough cleaning can make. If your favorite brew spot is looking a bit tired and worn out, you'll definitely want to stick around for this. It's like giving your coffee shop a fresh start. First up, let's talk prep. Preparation is key to ensuring a flawless power washing experience. The team from Jabez Powerwashing arrives early, ready to tackle the job with precision and expertise. They come equipped with all the necessary tools and a game plan. They start by moving any outdoor furniture and covering up delicate plants around the shop. This step is crucial to protect the surroundings from any potential damage. It's all about attention to detail, folks. Every little thing matters when it comes to achieving that perfect clean. Now let's get to the fun part, the power washing. This is where the magic truly happens. Equipped with top-of-the-line gear, Jabez Powerwashing uses specialized pressure washers that can handle even the toughest grime. These machines are powerful yet gentle on surfaces. They start by spraying water and a biodegradable cleaning solution on the building's exterior. This combo loosens up dirt like magic, making it easier to wash away. Next, it's time for the real power. This is where the heavy-duty cleaning begins. Using high-pressure jets, they blast away years of built-up grime, mold, and mildew. It's like watching years of dirt disappear in seconds. Watching this is oddly satisfying, like peeling the plastic off a new gadget, but way better. The transformation is truly mesmerizing, and they don't stop there. The thoroughness of their service is truly commendable. Jabez Powerwashing also tackles sidewalks and outdoor seating areas. These areas often get overlooked but are just as important. Those stained pavements you barely noticed? Gone. They make sure every inch is spotless. The gum spots everyone steps over? History. They leave no stone unturned. These guys don't miss a beat. Inside, the magic continues. They bring the same level of detail and care to the interior. They carefully clean windows, making sure to leave them streak-free and sparkling. Clean windows can make a huge difference in the overall ambiance. Clear windows mean more sunshine streaming in, making your coffee experience even brighter and more enjoyable. Wondering about the end result? The transformation is nothing short of spectacular. Picture this: a coffee shop that looks brand new, inviting, and ready to welcome customers with open arms. It's like a breath of fresh air. Cleanliness doesn't just make things look better, it makes them feel better too. A clean environment can enhance the overall experience for everyone. Now, if you're thinking, how do I get in touch with these miracle workers? It's simpler than you might think. It's easy. Just give Jabez Powerwashing a call at 404-964-2243. They are ready to bring their expertise to your space. Whether it's a coffee shop, restaurant, or even your home, they've got you covered. Their services are versatile and tailored to meet your specific needs. So there you have it. An amazing coffee shop makeover, step by step, courtesy of Jabez Powerwashing. The transformation is truly remarkable. If your place needs a refresh, you know who to call. Jabez Powerwashing is the go-to for all your cleaning needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing transformations. Until next time, keep your spaces clean and inviting. See you soon.